One of These Nights by the Eagles. So on our intro, this is going to be the version of the remaster from 2018. It doesn't have the extended intro. So what we're going to do is we're going to have this chord. We're going to hit these 12s. This is the top of an E minor. It's the bottom 3 strings on the 12. I'm using my ring finger. So what we do is we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So it's always the and of the 4. We're going to do this for 8 bars in a row. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. We're going to end on this B minor top, so that's 9 on the D string with the 7s. 4 hits on that. So we had 8 bars of this E minor chord top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do that 8 times, and you pop right into the 4 and 1 and 2 and. Okay, and now the other part of the intro, we have 3 harmony guitars, and they're doing a chord thing. They're going. Okay, so one of them is on the D string going 7 to 9. One of them's on the G string going 7 to 9. And one of them's on the B string going 7 to 8. So all together go like 2 bars. And then on the 4th one, we got that B minor. Then we're into the main rhythm of a verse. So this is going to be E minor to B minor, and we're doing tops on these. So you're really aiming for, you can do the whole chord shape, but you're really aiming your pick at the higher strings, like the top 3 strings. So you could just do these like this, chords like that, those tops. We're going to have an A minor over here too. But you can do the full ones too and just kind of aim for tops. So 2, 3, 4. So our rhythm is dum da dum dum dum. And those are like staccato hits where we stop them quickly. So down, up, down, down, down. That's our basic strum for this part. So 2, 3, 4. B minor. E minor twice. A minor twice. E minor to B minor. Starts over. E minor, B minor. E minor twice, A minor twice, E minor, a 1, 2. So we wait for the 2 beat on that next measure after our E minor. We're going to B minor, we're going to hit on the 2 and hold that for a second. So we got a 1, 2. And then we're into the chorus. We're going to have this C major 7, 10, 9, 8, 7. We're going to do a reverse rake on this. Okay, so we got 2 times of that. We're going to have the rake up. And then we're going to go to a G major 7, which is 5 with 7s on the bottom 3. Reverse it, rake that one too. We're going to do that one twice. We'll come back to C major 7. Then we're going to have this A minor 7, 10, 9, 10, 8. Reverse rake that one too. On that B minor again. Then we're going to hit a D chord after that. So let's look at our chorus again. Okay, and that puts us back into a verse. B minor, E minor twice, A minor twice, E minor, B minor, starts over, E minor, B minor, E minor twice, A minor twice, E minor, and 1, 2. So that's the second beat on the B minor again. Then we got a chorus again. Okay, now we got our solo. The solo is going to come way up on the 20th fret on the E string. So we're going to bend that 20 up twice, hold the second one. Then we're going to go. So we got 12, pull off, 15 to 12. And then this one starts with the 12, pulls off 15, 12 on the second string. So we got. So that was 14, 12, 14, 12, 14. Then we have a little pull off here. 14, 12 on the D to 14 on the A. So D-da-doom, and then 12 on the A to the 15 on the E. Sliding the 14 down to 12 to 10. So we got. So that was bending the 15, then hit the 15 to a little half step bend, 14 on the G string. So 12, 14, 12, 14. It kind of does that same thing again. So. Now we slid the 14 into 16 and do the 17 on the B. And back, pull off to the 15. So that was a downward bend on the 17 and a full step bend with the first finger. You could use a different finger. It's kind of hard to do that first finger, but the more you try that when you get strength in that finger. So up with the 15 after down with the 17. So let's take a look at all that. So that's two hammer-ons, the middle two strings, D and G, 12s to 14s. Then you're going to slide down to the 7s. So then we're going to go sliding into the 9. So we got dump, 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 dump. So we bend that 7. Okay, so let's take a look at all that we got. So here we go with a E minor 7 arpeggio, and then 7, 5 on the D, and then 5 again, 7, 5, 7, sliding into that 9 on the G. So and then we're going to bend this D string, half step on the 9th fret. So a little up and down, and then 5, 7, 5, 7, 2 7s. So that second one, you can do the up and down bend, and then 5, 7, 5, 9 on the G. Then we're going to end with this riff. So that was two 15s on the small string. And then we're on the 14 and 12 on the G string. Down to the second string. And we got like downward bends on that 15 to the 12. Same thing here. Two 17 bends there. So once again, we got. And then we're back to the chorus. So on this version, on this remaster 2018, it basically just keeps doing that and fades out. But there are a couple of harmony fill riffs that I want to talk about as well. So the intro, we had it. Now later on, there's some other things that go little fills in there. So one of them is 12, 14, 12, 11, 12. And this is like during verses after it's gone on for a while. It's got little fills in there. Then the next one is going to be 12, 13, and 10. So those go in harmony. The third one of that is 10, 12, 10, and then 8, 10. Okay, so once again, the first one was. The second one is. And the third one is. Okay, then towards the end of the song, they have this cool riff. So that's one of them. So we got 12, 14, 12 in the G, 11, 14, 12 in the D, 15 on the A. Okay, then the other one goes. So 12, 15, 12, hammer on pull off. And then 14, 12, 11 to 14 on the D. So the first one, and then the next one, and then the last one goes. So this one's a little different. High string, 12, 15, 12, and then 10, 12, 10, 12 on the G string. So that works in harmony with these others. Okay, so One of These Nights by the Eagles. Hope you dug that. There'll be a little tab to go with this. Thanks for watching Damon Wood Guitar Lessons. We'll talk to you soon.